Oh, hey up, hey up, hey up, hey up. Oh, it's another one of them. Another one of them mornings. Will it, won't it? Will it rain, won't it rain? I don't know. You don't know whether to put your clothes out to dry or put them out to have a good rinse. They got that much heavy showers, it gives them a right good rinse. Anyway, I'm not to worry. And there's some crackpot chat show host on in America on the radio, and he's saying all these hurricanes they're just being hyped up by the media to try and prove it's climate change. You know, I like to tell them who are all on these islands where everything's been flattened, say, oh, it's just hyped up, it's nothing to do with climate change, a bit like that. It has to be climate change, I mean to say. Well, and Greenland's even having all wild thingy fires, you know, all the place burning up because everything's melted, all permafrost and everything. Yeah, Greenland, it's got all these wildfires now because everything, all the ash is all melted and going to be going like a desert, all dried up and hot. And another thing, these so-called experts who do all this data crunching, they've come up with an idea saying female names of hurricanes. Female names are far more dangerous than male named hurricanes because they say people don't take female named hurricanes seriously. You know, oh God. But it'll be nothing to do with the names, will it? You know, what's a name in a hurricane? A hurricane's a hurricane, whether it's a big and little and whatever it is. Sure, it's not going to take any notice, and neither is anybody else. Say it's a category 3, 4, 5. I don't know. Oh, and another thing. Seems like they're trying to do away with girls, boys, men and women. They're giving over making children's clothes what are gender specific, is it? Whatever they say. They're all going to be the same. It's got to be a bit very strange in a bit when somebody's expecting a baby and they have the baby and you say, what is it? They might not be able to say whether it's a boy or a girl. Just say, oh, it's an it. Can either be a boy or a girl. Very difficult. Difficult times we come to. Bye.